Good morning! Good morning, guys! It's Sunday, May 11. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, and to all the mothers in heaven. Happy Mother's Day to my nanay in heaven. It's been 5 years. Oh no, it's been 4 years that she left us, and she's now in heaven, and I really missed her a lot. So let's have some coffee, guys. How was your weekend, guys? How was your Saturday? How's your Sunday today? What are your plans for today on Mother's Day? Me, I think I will just stay home, do the household chores that I didn't finish yesterday. Hi, Charlie. Yeah, look at my Charlie.
My baby, what's up?
So that's my Charlie. So, what's your plan today? As I've said, I will just stay home and finish all the household chores that I did not finish yesterday. So, day off is not really a day off, if you will agree with me, because we need to do everything here in the house as a housewife. Look at my child. Look at her. Yes, Charlie. What's up? Yes, baby. Hello. You wanna? Oh. Okay. He's going to the our bedroom. That's our bathroom. Okay, our bedroom. They are free roaming. Anyway, so have a good Sunday, guys, and enjoy the Mother's Day. Enjoy spending your day with your mothers. And that's it. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Bye, and take care. Somehow I had some regrets of not showing or not telling my nanay that I really cared for her. I just showed it or told her that I love her when I was already here in Canada. But I guess that was not too late. But really, guys, if you still have time, show them, tell them that you love them. Not only for your mothers, of course, but also for your fathers, your siblings, and to all your loved ones. So once again, have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and to all the mothers in heaven. Bye.